Hi guys, welcome to Abeer and Animals. Now, earlier last season in season 5, we did something known as Animals of Bangalore, where we went to lots of lakes and saw quite a few birds. Now, we missed one lake, which we are going to go to now, which is called Jakkur Lake, to find lots of birds, especially painted storks. So, let's begin. And it wasn't very long until we found the painted storks all on our island. There were several of them, along which were accompanied by ibises, coots, ducks, and herons. This island was full of birds. So it was amazing to see. We were elated to get our main target right at the spot. We came in March, and March is the breeding season, so the hatchlings of all the birds were out, out and starting their new lives. And and here one painted stork is scratching itself right next to an ibis. It was amazing to see this. This is why I get amazed by how good sharing skills they have of sharing the island. Then we found one kingfisher sitting on a branch. It's very tough to find them. Just such a small bird on such a big island. It was amazing to see that kingfisher, as one fellow birder helped me find it. Then we found another painted stork uh, sit, sitting within a darker part of the island. Next up, we kept seeing some ducks and coots. Over here, we are seeing the Eurasian coot, which is happily just swimming along. Over here, you can see a baby heron, along with another baby heron, which are trying to fly. Gray, and they are already looking quite big. Inside the nest, inside the bushes, we could see a few cormorants, which are also trying to fly. On the next island, we saw lots of pelicans. Jakkur Lake is nicknamed Pelican Paradise by the birders, and this shows why. It was an amazing sight to see so many big pelicans sharing the island with the painted storks. These are spot-built pelicans here. Uh, they aren't as big as you see them in zoos because they don't grow so big, but they are still an amazing species. The spot-billed pelican has a pouch in its neck where it carries fish back to safety. Over here, we could see a black-headed ibis, which was on the rocky outcrops, and then we could see one painted stork flying, and I decided to capture it in slow motion to show you a stunning shot, to show you a stunning scene. The painted stork was heading towards the island, and in slow motion it showed how good it is. So and then after that, a flock of egrets just flew by, following the painted stork. And then we caught this amazing shot of the pelicans. Over here, you can really see how big the pouch is of the pelican. That's why I like pelicans, especially for the pouch. And then here's a closer view of that black-headed ibis walking on a rock on the rocks at the edge of the lake. It's also foraging for food. Earlier, Jakkur Lake used to get a lot of waste and did not have as many birds as we see today. That was long ago. Then, once Jala portion came into the scene, they cleaned up of the lake, introduced trees, and the birds started coming in. Over here, we can see a few ducks which are swimming in the water. They are, it was an amazing sight to see these ducks, the whole family of ducks swimming in the water. It was amazing. I loved it. We see so many ducks here. And then yet again we see pelicans. It's amazing. Again, it's a fantastic view. The pelicans are actually quite big. Yeah, I said that they are not very big. That is compared to other pelicans. But for any other human, well, they might look like the largest. Then we find ducks yet again, and they're swimming around in the water. What a fantastic view this is. Sorry for the blurriness in this shot, but there is an open-billed stork here, and in this one also I apologize for the blurriness, but there's a black crowned night heron.